All right, let's dive into boosting productivity in just 60 minutes. Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of tasks, completely overwhelmed? Well, I've got just the solution to supercharge your efficiency and get you back on track in no time. Let's talk about the Productivity Power Hour. This game changer can revolutionize how you manage your time and workflow. Imagine being able to tackle your to-do list with laser focus and precision, all within a dedicated 60-minute time frame. Sounds great, right? First things first, let's look at what might be holding us back from being as productive as we'd like. We live in a world full of constant distractions and never-ending notifications. It's no wonder we struggle to stay on top of our tasks. But don't worry, the Productivity Power Hour is here to help you cut through the noise and get things done. So, how do you make the most of this magical hour? It's all about using strategies and techniques to turbocharge your productivity. Let's start with time blocking. The idea is simple. Break your hour into chunks dedicated to specific tasks. Maybe spend 15 minutes responding to emails, then shift to 20 minutes of focused work on a key project. This method helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Another fantastic technique is the Pomodoro method. Here's how it works. You set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task without interruptions. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. After 4 of these cycles, take a longer break, like 15 minutes. This sprint and rest cycle keeps your brain sharp and energized, making you more productive. Prioritizing tasks is also crucial. Start by listing out everything you need to do, and then rank those tasks by importance. Tackle the most critical ones during your power hour, when your energy and focus are at their peak. This way, you're not just busy, you're truly productive. And now, the key insight to skyrocket your productivity within that 60-minute window. Eliminate distractions, turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and create a workspace that signals to your brain, it's time to focus. You'll be amazed at how much of a difference this makes. To sum it all up, by dedicating just 1 hour to your Productivity Power Hour, you can achieve more in less time, reduce stress, and take control of your day like never before. I challenge you to implement the Productivity Power Hour technique into your daily routine. Share your results, thoughts, and success stories in the comments below. Let's elevate our productivity levels and conquer our goals together. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on boosting your productivity and making the most of your time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.